Have you ever found yourself scratching your head over app signing keys? It can be a real puzzle, especially when you're trying to get your app ready for release. If that's you, stick around because today we're diving into how to find your Google Play app signing key hash. I totally get it. You've opted for Google Play app signing, and now you're left wondering about the key hash. It's a common concern among developers, and you're definitely not alone in this. Many have faced the same challenge. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "How can I get the key hash of my released app? Is there a way to extract it from the certificate?" If you've been wondering the same thing, you're in the right place. So, what's the deal with the key hash? When you use Google Play app signing, Google manages your app's signing keys, which can make it tricky to find the key hash you need for Facebook login or other integrations. But don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. And make sure to stick around. I have a quick tip at the end that will make this process even easier for you. To retrieve the key hash for your released app, the user should first ensure they have the SHA-1 certificate from the Google Play console. This is essential for generating the key hash. Next, the user needs to use the KeyTool utility, which is included with the Java Development Kit. This tool will help generate the key hash from the SHA-1 certificate. After running the command, the user will receive the key hash in the output. It's important to copy this key hash for use in your app's configuration. Finally, the user should add the key hash to their app's settings in the Google Play console or any other relevant configuration files to ensure proper functionality. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Android didn't even support app signing? Developers had to manage everything manually. Thankfully, we've come a long way since then. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using a command to generate the app signing key hash. They recommend using the echo command followed by piping it through XXD and OpenSSL to get the base64 output. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative approach to obtaining your Google Play app signing key hash involves using OpenSSL and Java. First, ensure you have OpenSSL and Java installed on your computer. Open the command prompt and navigate to the directory where Java is installed. Use the KeyTool command to export the certificate and pipe it through OpenSSL to generate the key hash. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always keep a backup of your KeyStore file and its credentials. This will save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. You should now be able to find your Google Play app signing key hash with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. And remember, keeping your KeyStore safe is key to your app's success.